Problem number 1. The heat conductivity of two groups of metals are being compared. Samples from each group of metals were randomly selected. For group 1, the sample size is 20 with a mean value of 112.6 degree Fahrenheit, while for group 2, the sample size is 22 with a mean value of 107.8 degree Fahrenheit. The population standard deviation for the first group of metals is 18 degree Fahrenheit, while for the second group is 15 degree Fahrenheit. Determine if there is a significant difference between the two groups of metals at a 0.10 level of significance.
How can I solve this thing? It's so hard. Oh.
Hey, what's wrong?
Oh, thank God you're here. I just don't understand this problem. It's so hard.
Let me see. This is how you do it.
Now I understand. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's really great help.
1 down, 2 to go. So now, let's proceed to problem number 2.
Problem number 2. A random sample of 200 endangered species were recorded to have survived in the Philippines during the past years. Each showed an average of 7.54 decades with a standard deviation of 9.7 years. Does this seem to indicate that the survival capacity of endangered species is longer than 73 years? Use a 0.01 level of significance.
Oh my god! How can you identify if it's one-tailed, non-directional, or directional? Let's go! I am having a hard time identifying if it is one-tailed, non-directional, or directional.
Well, in this kind of problem, it is one-tailed. For the alternative hypothesis is directional. And it is directional because it has an indicator like greater than or less than in a given problem.
Okay. Then, how am I going to solve this problem?
This is how you do it. And now, we're down to the last problem, which is problem number 3.
Problem number 3. The average working hours for 35 call center agents is 9.12 hours, while the average working hours of 35 teachers is 10 hours. The standard deviation of the call center agents is 2.20 hours, while for teachers is 1.56 hours. Test the hypothesis that the call center agents have lesser working hours than the teachers using a level of significance of 0.025.
It's the last!
Step 5. Decide whether to accept or reject HO. How can I determine if I will accept or reject HO?
I've heard you're having a hard time deciding whether to accept or reject HO.
Yes.
Well, you will accept HO if the computed value of T or Z is not within the critical region. And you will reject HO if the computed value of T or Z is within the critical region. Okay?
Oh, so now I understand. Thank you.
Good. No problem. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something in our video tutorial. See you in my next adventure.